Welcome to this captivating journey through the Gospel of Mark, chapters 5 to 8. Prepare to embark on a fascinating exploration of miracles, teachings, and transformations.
These chapters are a whirlwind of activity, illustrating the profound impact of Jesus' ministry. In Mark 5, we begin with Jesus' powerful exorcism of a demon-possessed man, transforming him from tormented outsider to an evangelist proclaiming, "Go home to your own people and tell them what the Lord has done."
Next, we witness the dual stories of healing. A woman, suffering for 12 years, is healed by touching Jesus' cloak. Jesus says, "Your faith has healed you." Then, he raises Jairus' daughter from death, showing his authority over life and death itself.
Chapter 6 finds Jesus back in his hometown only to face rejection. Yet, he commissions the 12 apostles to preach and heal, emphasizing faith amid disbelief. Here we encounter the miraculous feeding of the 5,000, where Jesus satisfies both physical and spiritual hunger, illustrating divine provision. When he walks on water, he reassures his disciples with, "Take courage, it is I. Don't be afraid," affirming his presence in life's storms.
In chapter 7, Jesus challenges the Pharisees' traditions, emphasizing inner purity over ritual. "What comes out of a person is what defile them," he declares, urging a heart-centered faith. Jesus extends his mercy beyond borders with the healing of a Syrophoenician woman's daughter and a deaf man, highlighting inclusivity in his mission.
Finally, in chapter 8, Jesus feeds another large crowd, demonstrating boundless compassion. Yet, his warning about the yeast of the Pharisees underscores the danger of spiritual blindness. In a pivotal moment, Peter confesses Jesus as the Messiah, revealing growing understanding amid ongoing struggles. This chapter concludes with the call to take up their cross, a profound invitation to follow Jesus wholeheartedly. Through these chapters, we uncover a powerful narrative filled with miracles and profound lessons about faith, authority, and the nature of the kingdom of God. We witness the heart of Jesus calling each of us to journey deeper into faith, embracing his life-transforming message. Thank you for joining this exploration. We hope it inspires and intrigues you to delve further into the gospel's depths.